Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Google Docs. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and after this, in here you just click on the plus icon at the bottom, and now in here you just click on the new documents. Okay, and after this, in here you just click the text that you want to add. Hi, this is tutorial how to make a new Google Docs. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the top, and now in here you can edit to the title. I wanna rename the document for this tutorial. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the OK, and this you can go back and finish. So that how to make a new Google Docs. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.